Hey everyone, Python programmer here, and welcome back to AI Apps Challenge 2025. This is video 4, and we're officially near the end of the year. In this mid-September review, I'll be showing you the final version of the July project, the fully completed August app, and the in-progress September build. But more importantly, I want to talk about what's next, because while the apps are functional, there's still a lot to refine, deploy, and polish. None of the projects have been deployed yet either. Let's start with the showcase and then I'll walk you through the improvements I've got planned for each project. Okay, so these are the code files then for the July project. I did show this before in the previous video, the AI Apps Challenge. The how I've done so far, mid-year review AI Apps Challenge video, we showed this project, and towards the end then it wasn't fully complete back then. But now it is, and we're going to test it, the voice methods as well. As I said before, next steps are required, so I think there will be some changes to be made to this before the end. This one focused mostly on voice methods there, since it was a speech to text art. A few forms here as well. The Gemini prompt. This is the first one that I used the newer Gen AI libraries rather than the old Vertex AI ones then. So let's run it now. We had like the different section headers, so recording section, file upload section, AI summary, voice commands, voice training, and export section. We go back to the top then. So real-time recording and transcription, so we do need to do that then. Hello, is this recording? Hello, this is the AI speech to text voice app. Thank you for listening to my voice. And now we stop the recording. And it stopped there. And now it takes us straight to the AI summary then. So here's an analysis. I don't know test of voice command at the moment. Let's test the voice training. A quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. This sentence contains every letter of the alphabet and is perfect for voice training. Okay. This is a transcript. Export txt should work now. Export JSON. Okay, it doesn't find the current session probably because there isn't any. So those still don't work apparently. But yeah, these buttons just open the same links in a new tab. These buttons on all the thingies and they just go to my socials then. So there's a YouTube channel. GitHub, this is how the GitHub account, not the one that I use for this. Then Instagram should take to the Python. Instagram, make sure you follow me on all these platforms then. Currently only have 34 followers on Instagram because you haven't really been posting recently. But if you follow, I might start posting more on there. Okay, and so now this is the August project AI calendar system. If you just sign in, then first we got these different options. You got like a so there it says welcome back. So you log in, but you can sign up basically with that as well. Then, so we got the current time. Um, it says 23rd because I did have to re-record this. I recorded this before, but the app crashed during recording, and then we didn't record again until now. But so we haven't got any events at the moment. If we paste in this email that I've generated, then an example of a client email, and then we see that it can create an event by passing through the email. There's quick actions as well. I'll paste that text and just change it around a bit. So yeah, we send that now, and we can see we've got the notification that the event should have been created. So that's great. For the next day, we can, as said, we have like different options. You can use quick event to create one. Then we put one for today. It should appear scheduled and an AI summary. Say the meetings on Zoom. Those are the attendees that create the event. We get the notification. You can see that. We didn't put the title down. We did a quick. There is import calendar as well, but I'm not sure how to fully set that up from my end then. But it should be working in the app. Then yeah, I don't know why that's so small as well. It does say we can't edit in here. You can delete, cancel. We change it to 30 minutes. Edit. That no, that didn't even edit it. This is another event. This is the email event that we created. We copied the email contents there. You try edit the attendee. Okay, so the editing doesn't work, so that's another thing, and we've got a create event form here, which is like a more detailed version. Let's try and create an event through that form as well. So software planning meeting, let's say. Plan the software projects for next month. And that would be on tomorrow then. Location can be in the office. It's a new office. And attendees is the full software team then would be. Then if you create that, that's create success. Didn't think it would take me back to the dashboard. So that is on the calendar now as well. You can see all the details. And it didn't actually include some of the ones that we put, but yeah, that's for next step in the calendar. We can go to next month, previous month. We did have some events in August before, but I think those were in testing. We got a new version of the database then. But yeah, that's the August project then. Okay, and so now here's the project for September that I've recently started. So this is a general document summarization AI. So we uploaded a Medium article, and we're gonna summarize it then using these different options. Then we got quite a few different customization options for the document summarization. Then, so it's mostly to summarize lengthy documents, research papers, reports, etc. You name it. Supports PDFs, Word documents, and text documents, plain text TXT in the moment. There are the different headings similar to previous projects as well. Just need to tidy up the CSS a bit at the top there, but we recorded this a few days ago. Then this is the project's progressed a bit since then, but so it should give us an AI summary here. Currently no summary available. There's also a compare different documents section where you can compare the summaries for different types of summaries for the same document. But that doesn't work yet. Then at the bottom we've got the export option, which also don't work at the moment. And at the bottom these go into open the section heading in a new tab. Now let's talk about what still needs work. I've made solid progress, but each app has its own set of improvements I want to tackle before deployment. January. The document upload page still needs proper CSS styling. It's functional, but visually meh. So then upload, and we've got this screen. We were meant to do the CSS on there. I thought I had it done, but apparently not. Search the document. We can choose the directories there, and it's also there at the top. We can add more to it or to any of the other ones. Tools that you can use. On the document highlights the use cases and stuff, and then we've got the search results there. Separated each result with the relevance score as well. And February, I want to link the summary to project results and improve the summary extraction so users can get a short version instantly. Be like a short, really short paragraph, like 1 or 2 sentences you can put in your testing report. But if you go there, it's that full thing. If you copy the full summary, then that's the full thing. Then that was at the top. If you go back to this page, view results, we can't go directly to results because we need the project ID. March. The AI results need better formatting. Right now it's a bit raw with the markdown formatting. So the formatting isn't fully there. I thought I had it before, but I think I might have changed it then because it was a bit messed up before as well. So then that's given the summary, how much we worked each day, overtime, under time. We've done 12 hours overtime then. April. Honestly, not much to fix here. It's one of the cleanest builds so far. May. This one's got a longer list. Better formatting of the generated cover letter. Option to refine the letter before finalizing. Actually use the CV details in the output. Add PDF download. Improve progress bar styling. Better support for CV uploads and allow users to reuse previous profiles. June. Just a minor tweak. CSS color contrast. It's already better than May, but still room for polish. July. I want to make the voice commands more natural and responsive. Think Siri / Alexa style interactions. Also for all projects up to June, I need to update the Gen AI libraries. Google's Vertex AI SDK is being depreciated, so I'll be switching to the new endpoints and making sure everything's future-proof. I've already done that for the August and September projects so far. So that's where things stand. 8 projects in and the 9th underway. The challenge has been intense, but I'm loving the momentum. If you've been following along, thank you. And if you're new here, check out the earlier videos to see how far we've come. Next time I'll be back with the final review of the full year's worth of apps, and that'll probably be coming in January. Until then, happy coding, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see these apps go live. Thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video.